Have you tried making money online by doing online surveys before? How much did you get paid? Not much, right? In today's video, I will show you the 5 best survey sites which will pay you good money. As a bonus, I will also walk you through the sign-up process of each website so that you can finally make big money just by doing surveys. But before we begin, welcome to Make Your Bucks, where we teach you legit ways of how you can make money online, and that too, for free. Does the idea of making money from your couch or your bed appeal to you? If yes, then subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on the free ways which will enable you to make some extra bucks. Our first website to make money online is Swagbucks. Before we go through the sign-up process, let's look at how you can make money on this website. If you scroll down a little, you will see it says, "Get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things that you do online." After you sign up, you will earn points when you shop online and answer surveys, and then you can convert these points to real cash, or you can also choose to receive gift cards. Now that you know how you will make money on Swagbucks, let's go through the registration process. The registration process is very simple. Where it says join for free, just type in your email address, your password here, rewrite the password again here, and confirm password. Now click on the big Sign Up Now button right here to complete the registration. As you can see, you also have the option of signing up with your Gmail or your Facebook account. The next best survey website to make money is UserTesting. Now click on Get Paid to Test. As you can see, you get paid to share your perspectives with global brands. Earn a little extra money in your spare time by helping brands build better products and experiences for people around the world. With UserTesting, you can earn $10 for every survey you complete. Registration is fairly simple. Just enter your email address in here and check off this box right here, which says that you agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Now, most importantly, how will you get paid? Let's find out right now. Just scroll down to this part where it says Make Money. Click on this small arrow right here, and then scroll down to this part. As you can see, you will receive your payments in USD in PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account so you can receive your payments. So the third website which can help you make those few extra bucks is SurveyTime. As you can see, get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. The payout's definitely not crazy, but the good thing is, as soon as you complete a survey, you can request a payout immediately. Let's scroll down a little and see what SurveyTime has to offer. If you come right here, you will see that it's completely free to join SurveyTime. If we scroll down a little bit further, right here, where it says Choose Your Reward, you can get paid via PayPal or even gift cards. Plus, if you look right here, it says SurveyTime is global. This is awesome because it means that no matter what country you're from, you will be able to complete surveys on SurveyTime, and most importantly, make money. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know which country you're from so that I can show you more ways to make money from your country. The sign-up process is very simple. You can sign up directly using your Google or your Facebook account. Or if you prefer, you can also type in your email address by clicking on this Sign Up with Email button right here. Our next website is TimeBucks. On TimeBucks, there are different ways you can make money. As you can see on the website, you get paid when you post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete microtasks, and answer surveys. If you get tired of doing surveys, just play games, and boom, you'll still be making money. That's too good, right? If you scroll down a little right here, it says Start Earning Instantly. Thus, as soon as you sign up, you will be able to complete surveys and make money. Plus, look at this right here, referral program. This means that if you invite other people to TimeBucks, you get paid a commission. The more people you invite to join TimeBucks, the more money you can make. Oh, and they pay out weekly too. Every week, you will be getting paid. How great is that? Before we continue, if you're liking this video so far, subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified of every video on how to make money online so that you have those extra bucks in your pocket. Again, on TimeBucks, signing up is very easy. You just fill in these details, check off the box, and click on this green Sign Up Now button here. And you're all set. Our next website is Pinecone Research. Here it says become an influencer. Be the first to test and review emerging concepts for a variety of products and services. Now don't be too scared when you see this. This just means that you will be able to complete surveys on this website. Scroll down to benefits right here. So as you can see, you will earn points every time you complete a survey, and then you can redeem these points for cash or prizes. Can you guess how much you will get paid for every completed survey? Let me tell you the answer. For each completed survey, you will earn $3. Considering the fact that you're just doing surveys, $3 is a relatively better price than what most websites pay for surveys. That's great, right? And if you keep scrolling down to how it works, you will see here that after you sign up, it says, get a study notification. This means that you only need to log on to this website when you get a notification from them telling you that a survey is available. Then you will be able to take the survey and boom, make money. Our final best paid survey website for today is prolific.co. Keep watching the video because after this, as a bonus, I will reveal one more survey website which will enable you to make even more money. As you can see, this is the homepage of the prolific.co website. First, I want you to head over to pricing and click on it. As you can see, this page reveals how much you can get paid. Take a look at where it says Fair Rewards. The minimum we allow is $8 per hour, depending on the length of the survey. So, just by taking a survey, you will be making $8. How cool is that? Also, Prolific pays out via PayPal, so make sure you have a PayPal account ready to receive your payments. To sign up, simply click on the Sign Up button right here. You will need to select Take Studies because you will be doing the surveys. Now, sometimes after you complete this step, you might be asked to join a waiting list. Do not worry. This is just because there are plenty of people who join Prolific every day, so that's why sometimes you have to join the waiting list. However, with increasing demands for all kinds of different products these days, researchers need more and more of people's opinions to create a good product, which means your time can come soon. Now, as promised, the bonus website that you can use to make money doing surveys is Free Cash. This is the homepage of the website. It's pretty cool, right? Now look here. It says sign up for free and get a chance to win $250. You really don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity. So, fill in the usual details required here, and after checking this box, click on this green sign up button here to complete the registration process. Free Cash is an amazing way for you to make money online. So hurry up and sign up to the website if you haven't done so yet. If you want to make money doing surveys, you better sign up to more than one of the websites you learned about in today's video. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Make Money Online videos. Until next time, take care.